In this Sailing Doodles, we explore Culebra by golf cart and visit one of the most beautiful beaches in the world, Flamenco Beach. I'm Bobby and welcome to Sailing Doodles. Thank you so much to our patrons for making this channel possible. In the previous video, Taylor took the wheel and guided us around the Bahia Ensenada and Culebra, where we did some exploring.
Dinghy still not starting, but it is beach day, ladies and gentlemen.
Beach day and island cruising.
With a little golf cart. We're gonna rent one, drive over to the beach, and have a freaking great day.
Get some sunshine. It's been raining a little bit the past day.
Yeah, so we need to get our tan back on.
Yeah.
So, dinghy motor won't start, so we're gonna paddle and row. It's kind of windy out here though. It's gonna be easy this way, hard on the way back. It was a 15-minute walk through the colorful town of Culebra to go rent a golf cart.
I'm gonna tell you that I love you 100 times a day. You'll get tired of my voice, that's how much I'm gonna tell you that I miss you. Here we go. Yes, I'm gonna let you know just how much I tell you, mama. I tell you, papa too.
Culebra is a fun island to explore, and it only takes you about 30 minutes to get from end to end in a golf cart.
My love, so I really hope you love me too. Yeah, I really hope you love me too. I'm gonna tell you that I need you every day. You'll get weary of my touch. That's how much I'm gonna tell you.
Beautiful. So pretty.
Oh, you're the only one for me. No one else. I'm gonna shout it out.
Some pretty nice views out here. That water is just awesome.
It's amazing
Yeah.
to think that we're just out here in the middle of the ocean
Yeah,
on a beautiful island.
absolutely. It's awesome. All right, let's go explore some more.
Back in, squad.
Oh, there's something deep inside, yeah, that really makes me wanna.
The little guy.
Yeah. So that island right there is Culebrita. We're gonna go there in a couple days. Wow.
I'm gonna show you that I love you 100 times.
I mean, that is just absolutely great. It's a shame there's a north swell, because that bay up there, you can see that bay right there. It's really,
Yeah, so I was just saying, that beach looks amazing.
yeah, but there's a north swell. I mean, we'll come over here and then we can just paddleboard over to the beach.
Yeah.
Yeah, I really hope you love me too. Yeah, I really hope you love me too. Yeah, I really hope you love me too.
I mean, this is really beautiful. It really is. Wait till you see Flamenco, because the sand is like super soft out there. It's really great. This is awesome though. Wow.
Wow. Speechless.
So amazing. Puerto Rico.
Someday you'll rise and come into a field of view. Be visible to us.
Puerto Rico.
All right, we're in trouble now. Taylor's driving.
Let's go, boys!
Come into a field of view. Be visible to a few. Someday you'll rise. Sit that an angel will illuminate the sky.
Yeah, all that was like restaurants and stuff. It's all closed now. Pretty much all the restaurants are closed. They're not doing any indoor seating here still, and it's, you know, March. You know, but it's what they want to do. We didn't need any restaurants. We were going to make our own fun on the beach. So Culebra used to be a like a military training ground, and so that's where they did like a lot of ordnance testing and like firing on stuff. So they put tanks on the beach and used them as target practice. And so they've done a lot of graffiti on them. They look pretty cool. So we're gonna check them out. Last time I was here, they looked cool. I don't know. It's been a few years.
They might have degraded by now.
Yeah. It was a great day on what is consistently ranked as one of the top beaches in the world, Flamenco Beach on Culebra. So that one is definitely a different color than last time I was here. Unfortunately, it's roped off. It says for COVID safety, you can't check out, whatever. What do you think?
Pretty cool. I want to climb on it.
Climb it.
Alright.
She chose the difficult route, but she worked it.
Oh wow, that's really cool in there. How it's all sandy.
Ooh. Look at.
Is this the engine?
Yeah, the engine would be back there.
Wow.
You see the piston rings there.
All fun and games until you fall in the tank.
Jump in.
Oh. Jump.
Should I?
I don't know.
I don't know about that.
How many times do you see a tank on a beach?
That's the first for me.
And this sargassum is definitely the worst I've ever seen. Like, it's definitely worse than it was years ago when I was here last.
Maybe I'm lost, wandering alone in the moonlight. Yeah. Since you've been gone, I've been looking out for myself now.
Amazing.
You told me it's over, yeah.
Pretty nice.
I thought you meant stay sober, yeah. When you told me it's over.
All right, we had a great time at the beach. Now, some food. Yeah.
Here we go again.
When you told me it's over, yeah. I never thought you'd leave me dry. Yeah. When you told me it's over, yeah.
Buddy, how you doing? You got some battle scars. Yeah, you do. So this is Dee's garden. They have just a bunch of fresh market, whatever. It's all grown locally.
Yeah. They've got smoothie bowls and juices and all the
Sid's
good stuff.
Sid's very excited about it. So she's in there shopping right now. But it's only 2 people allowed inside at a time. So.
I'm so excited for spinach, and I got some dried mango and chia seeds.
So Bobby's gone to return the cart, and we noticed that a little something something was missing from the dinghy, and that would be the stern anchor.
So, I'm gonna get a little swimmy on and go get it.
There she goes. Nothing in there? How hard is it to swim with an anchor? You good? Oh,
Get back in stand. Cheers, mate. We got the anchor. Okay.
Thank you so much to our patrons for making this channel possible. They get early access to videos, extra videos, and I answer their questions in my Ask Me Anything episodes on our podcast.